What if there was something simple that could energize your body and boost your health in just 20 days? You might think it's too good to be true, but the answer is closer than you think. There's a special drink with just a few basic ingredients, yet it holds the power to change how you feel each day. Curious? Hold on, because the best part is yet to come. Stay with us till the end to find out what's inside this drink and how it can improve your daily life. Once you've tried it for 20 days, come back to this video and share your results in the comments. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. And don't forget to say thanks for the tip, because sometimes small changes make the biggest difference. Imagine a drink so powerful that it could potentially transform your health and energize your daily life. What if you could discover the key to better well-being with just one simple recipe? Brace yourself as we reveal the secret behind this remarkable concoction. Assemble the components. Start by gathering a few ingredients that, when combined, create something extraordinary. Blend to perfection. Place these ingredients into a blender. Watch as they blend into a smooth, revitalizing beverage. Serve and sip. Pour this nutritious blend into a glass and experience the benefits with every sip. Drink this mysterious blend daily for 20 days. Observe any changes in your health and vitality during this period. What's in the mix? So, what makes this drink so exceptional? Let's reveal the key ingredients. 50 grams roasted black chickpeas, 250 milliliters milk, 5 dates, 3 banana, and sugar for sweetness. Why these ingredients matter? Roasted black chickpeas, rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals, they provide a natural energy boost and support overall vitality. Dates, offering natural sweetness along with vital vitamins and minerals. Dates help quickly restore your energy. Banana, packed with vitamin B6 and fiber. Bananas support healthy digestion and heart health. Milk, an excellent source of calcium and protein, essential for maintaining strong bones and overall well-being. This blend of ingredients creates a drink that's not just healthy but potentially transformative. Experience the power of this drink and see how it can enhance your daily life. And now you have it, the drink that could make a real difference in your daily energy and overall health. Now it's time for you to try it out. Stick with it for the next 20 days, and don't forget to come back and share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear about the changes you notice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more tips and health-boosting recipes, hit the subscribe button and stay connected with our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.